In this video, I will demonstrate the use of the clip tool in QGIS. I have downloaded from the Norwegian Environmental Agency the protected area for one particular municipality, but the download showed also polygons being outside the municipality boundary. So I need to clip this polygon. And this is then exactly what the clip tool does. I like to use the functions from the processing toolbox. So by just writing clip in the search field here, there are actually many clip tools which pops up. But make sure working with vector data, you should use the one from the vector overlay. You can also get access to the tool from the vector geoprocessing tools and the clip tool here. So this is the same tool. So let's start the tool. So we need to enter the input layer, and this is then the protected area, which I need to clip. And then the overlay layer, or the clip layer, this is then the polygon layer for the municipalities. So everything which is then within the municipality boundary will be then the output. So this works just like a cookie cutter. If you are going to use a gingerbread man, for instance, you use the cookie cutter and take out the piece which are within. QGIS, they have this option to have a temporary layer as the output, but I want this to be stored in a GeoPackage, the GeoPackage created for this project. So I select this one, and I also then need to select a name for the output. I just call it the same. And special character should be okay for QGIS. So these are ready to run, and it appears on top of the layer list. Turn off the old one and we see that this has been clipped to the municipality boundary.